Please join me as I challenge myself to ditch my limiting beliefs and create powerful daily affirmations that actually work. Daily affirmations have become a crucial part of my morning routine, and I want to share with you why they're so important for overcoming limiting beliefs and achieving success. By incorporating affirmations into your daily life, you can start to shift your mindset, build confidence, and unlock your full potential. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, held back by negative self-talk and self-doubt. But what if I told you that you have the power to change that? You see, our minds are wired to believe what we tell them, and by repeating positive affirmations, you can rewire your brain to focus on the positive and overcome those limiting beliefs that hold you back. One of the most damaging limiting beliefs is the fear of not being good enough. It's a weight that holds so many people back, making them feel like they're not worthy of success or happiness. But the truth is, you are worthy, and you deserve to live a life that's true to who you are. Another common limiting belief is the fear of failure. So many people let this fear hold them back from taking risks and pursuing their dreams. But failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Limiting beliefs can stem from our upbringing, our environment, or past experiences. They can be so ingrained that we don't even realize they're holding us back. But by recognizing and challenging these beliefs, we can start to break free from their grasp. And that's where affirmations come in. By repeating positive, empowering statements, we can start to shift our mindset and overcome those limiting beliefs. At its core, the science behind affirmations is simple. Our brains are wired to respond to repetition. By repeating positive affirmations, we can rewire our brains to focus on the positive and overcome negative self-talk. For example, a great affirmation for overcoming the fear of not being good enough is, "I am worthy of success and happiness." Repeat it to yourself daily with conviction and feeling, and watch how your mindset starts to shift. Another effective affirmation is, "I trust myself to make good decisions." This one is great for overcoming the fear of failure. By repeating this affirmation, you can start to build confidence in your abilities and trust that you'll make the right choices. And the beauty of affirmations is that you can create personalized ones that speak directly to your own limiting beliefs and goals. I want to share with you a powerful transformation story that really drives home the impact of affirmations. A friend of mine was struggling to overcome a lifetime of negative self-talk and self-doubt. She felt like she was stuck in a rut and didn't know how to break free. But then she started using affirmations. She created a daily routine of repeating positive statements to herself, and slowly but surely, she started to notice a shift. Her confidence grew, her self-doubt started to fade, and she began to pursue her dreams with passion and conviction. Through her journey, she discovered that affirmations weren't just about repeating words. They were about reprogramming her mind to focus on the positive. And the results were staggering. She landed her dream job, started a successful side hustle, and even found the confidence to start dating again. It was a complete transformation, and it all started with the power of affirmations. The story is a powerful reminder that affirmations aren't just a fluffy self-help technique. They're a tool for real, lasting change. So I want to leave you with a challenge today. Ditch those limiting beliefs and start using affirmations to unlock your full potential. You have the power to change your mindset and achieve your dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own favorite affirmations. If you want to learn more about building a positive mindset, be sure to check out my related video, Until next time, stay empowered.